What will you do if you find out that your kid brother is actually your stepson? What will you do? Stay tuned to watch the full story, and your advice is needed, guys. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Obidia TV. It's me again, Obidia Wanyoma. Thank you so much for coming back, guys. Please, if today is your first time, please hit that red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell as to be getting more video from me. To all my returning subscribers, I say may God bless you all. And to those of you that will be subscribing after watching this video, or you have been watching my video, you have not subscribed, please consider to subscribe, and God bless you as you do that. Hello my people, so to the full story, stay and watch this video to the end. So my beautiful people, we get this our sister where we say she dey inside confusion right now. She dey swim for inside confusion. She don't know what she go do. This woman get 7 children. She don't marry for 15 years. 15 years now, and she dey marriage. No problem, you know, just a little problem, you understand, but they are okay. So everything is fine. Until recently, when she can't find out, say her husband, they get affair with her own mother. With her own mother. Her husband, you know, they with her mother. So as the thing now, she can't find out. Now that the main story can't come out. The mother can't begin to confess. Can't they tell them when the test starts. So she say as she tell no, so he said she go market. The mother they can't, they greet them. Sometime every 3 months he go come, he go spend like 1 week, he go come out. So this one, the mother come. So all her children, they know their house. So now only her mother come their house. Her husband don't go work. So she go market. Not knowing that the husband come back from work, come meet the mother. So on her way to market now, she can't forget, say she leave something for house. Now she can't turn back. On her returning, my people, when she reach house, come see Edede Buluku for grand. See her husband boss out for the other side. Come they say, what did they happen here? When he reached inside their bedroom, behold, the mama Kpekus, if they go up, they go down with her husband. Now she say, what? So now that one be the problem. Then the mother now, when she come say, how come, how long, when they start, she want know. Now that they can't bring the whole story. It can't be said they don't start down. Even before this woman born her first pikin, the mother and the husband don't they work. They say wetin person never see, you never reach there. Make una see wetin dey happen for this our world. So she say her husband, the mother, her own mother, they operate bar many years ago. She say now even there, now she met her husband. So she met her husband in that bar. You understand? So from there they can't start the date and all that. So he said later, when the man come ask for her hand in marriage, the mother be no one agree. Now he come ask the mother, say, what thing happen? Why you not go agree? He like this man. The family is okay. The man, you know, now hard working man. So he like him. So he said the mother not see good reason give. Now our father come say, make the mother make it shut up. How you go say, man, your daughter not marry man, you not give her good reason. So shut up, you don't have any excuse. So he said that was how the matter died. Then she and the husband, they can't marry. You understand me? So he said he never take there. The mother can't get belle, and they don't know say the belle don't reach like 5 months. You understand? They tell the mother, say, at this age, you still they get belle. So he said she be can't tell the mother, tell the father, say, make the mother go wash am, come out. Now the father can't say lie. Nothing like that go happen. If God decide to bless them again for their old age, you understand? So why not? Why they not go accept the blessing? He said that time our father was 60-something years old. You understand? He said, but the mother was 46 years old. You understand me? So he said the one wey senior this their last born, so because there be no, there is the father said there be no expectant again, say they go born, you understand? So that one don't already reach 8 years before the mother can't get belle for this their last born. So you understand me? So as she told say me the flush her, the father said no, you understand? Now she can't breast, you understand? So the mother born few months, then she too can't born, you understand me? So he said na so they take day for the marriage. Now the mother come they tell and say she don't they date that man before her daughter come show interest, you understand? Before the man come say he want marry the girl, the man don't they work the woman. Now he make the woman be the tell the girl say no, I not go agree make you marry that man. When they come say make you talk a reason, she not can't get any reason to talk. You understand? So and that's their last born, the belle where she get. Now the man now he be the father of that small boy. This woman says she shot till her father died. Her father not know say not being father that boy. You understand me? Okay, he say the mother now come talk say as she they come for Omugwo for this her daughter house. He and the man they work. Anytime when she take come, they work. Make una see you. Mona see what mother they do to person. He said that they work. This woman say she faint, she die, she resurrect again because the thing is heavy for her head, it heavy for her mouth. She don't know what she go do. Who this kind thing don't go heavy for her mouth? Who this kind thing don't go heavy? My people, Mona see what mother get might take do to person. This our generation, eh? Some of our mother they are so shameless, so now the woman says she dey confused, and the husband now admit say yes. Now he be the father of that small boy. He said one certain time the mother come dey to demand from her husband, my in-law give me this, my in-law give me this. Now he come tell the mother say abeg no kill her husband for her. You too dey demand from her husband. Our other sisters wey marry, you know they demand from them like that. Why our own go come dey different when you know say they get 7 children? Abeg mama, let the rest. So he said the mother come talk say who tell you say na only your husband? Na her husband too. So she don't know say the woman na true. Na she dey talk for that thing where she talk. She just feel say na joke because na her son-in-law. He don't know say really. Na really her husband only be say he not put money for her head. But na her husband because they jogodo, they bang. He said the month that they come every 3 months to their house, they go spend 1 week, spend 2 weeks. And if they come, they whack a son-in-law. The son-in-law, they bank her front and back. Some men are so shameless. This woman husband, he have no shame. He have no respect for the wife. He have no respect for his children. What? Your own mother-in-law. Okay, fine. Let's say as they do am before. Now, we be say you come marry the woman daughter. Why this man not leave that woman? Why this woman not? Why this man not withdraw? Why you not tell the woman say no? We dey do am before. Now why I don't marry your daughter? I dey sorry, you not go work again. How you go dey bang mother and daughter, and 2 of them get children for you? Make una dey see o. And he say a night to their wedding. The mother, he still tell the man say they must work before he go marry her daughter. The man still bang the woman before he marry the daughter the next day. Make una see o. Say they go say if na friend, na this woman friend do this one now. We know wicked friend, evil friend. But see wetin mama do to her own daughter with her own hands. Make una dey see. So that man, a shameless man. The man no get respect for the woman at all. You dey chop person mama for years before you come meet the daughter. Why you not rest? I no even fear that woman dey husband house when you dey work am. When you dey work am. Then the daughter still enter your life as your wife. You not leave her mother alone. Because the excuse where this woman say her husband call they give say he be no want to, the mother come they threaten her say if he not continue he go come tell her daughter what they happen between them. That one not be excuse. Not be excuse at all. Not be excuse. Because now that one not be excuse where the man come they give, so they tell the woman why he not stop. Why you not even telling why? Now because say the mama dey threaten her. My people, this woman right now, she dey frustrated. Some mothers are so shameless. This one, this woman, I never see this type before. The woman is very shameless. Your husband, dey life. You dey cheat on your husband to the point say you can't get belle born. That man take care of another man pikin before he die. He no know. Say not being get that pikin. Make una see o. If not be say this woman now catch them, they go see dey. And this woman so, her step son now, that is her kid brother, is senior their own first son. Now the one where mama born, now he be first son to her husband. So my people, now this one I do they call Ogbobogbunu. Yeah. This one a very weak story. That is very pathetic story. But it's reality, it's life story that I'm sharing with you guys right now. This is life story. And this woman needs help. She needs advice. That is why I brought this story here. For my people, please, make una chook una mouth put. If you did this woman position now, or this woman relate to you, which advice you go give her? Because she say her mind, they tell her, if not to pack out of the house, she don't even know what to do. In this kind of situation, my people, what will you do? Man, where you don't labor with for 15 years, won't attend their marriage. Finally, you come to discover now, say, now your mama, now he born that man first pikin. What till you go do? This one not reach to frustrate person. This one not reach to make person go mental. It not reach to make person crazy. So my people, that is why I bring this story. You guys should contribute. You guys should contribute. Let's hear what you have to say, guys. But before that, me myself, I'm confused because the story is, I don't even know how to go about it. I don't know where to start from. But I must still choke my mouth, put my little advice. My sister, my advice to you, I will not advise you to leave your marriage for your mother. Because this kind of your mother, she not get shame. If you come up for this marriage, don't be surprised. She go kukuma pack in. Yes, so now that type of person now your mama be. So don't leave your marriage because of your mother. Don't leave your marriage because of your mother. Wait till you go do. Because to suffer with a man, build with a man, struggle with a man for that long, 15 good years, not be small thing. You labor with this man. Why will you live just like that? If you leave now, your mama go pack in. If your mama not even pack in, another person will even enter. Be say all your labor for 15 years, it don't go be that. Right? So, my advice for you is that don't leave your home because of your marriage, because of your mother. Don't leave your marriage. The thing where they there, as it be say, now your mama na born's first pikin. Because I know say if na man now we get we, if he will the better part of his property to your step brother, your stepson, which is your kid brother. So the thing where they there, you go tell the man. Make sure say he write a will. Put your children name there. You understand? Put your children name there. Because your step brother don't already they bear your father name. So he not supposed to get any share for your husband property. The one where you will suffer put. Make sure your husband, he will everything to your children. Your stepson, which is your kid brother, should remain as your brother. Now my advice be that, which that man he must accept. He has to accept it like that. Yes, so now that one, now be my advice. I know, say this very one, it is very difficult. And I pray that God will give you the strength and show you the way on how to go about this very issue peacefully so that you will get your life back, because I know this one can make someone mentally stable. Yes, this kind of one na frustration I be. I can imagine the stress, the pain when they go through right now. I can imagine. Please just be strong. Pray to God and believe in God. Trust in God. Don't do something stupid. Don't do something stupid. This kind of situation needs wisdom to go about it, so that you will come out of it victorious. I pray that God will strengthen you. So, my beautiful people, please let hear your comment on this matter. Please give your advice. What do you think this woman should do in this difficult time like this? What do you think is the right way to go? Please, anything will help. Anything will help. Leave it at the comment section, and she will get your advice, and we will really appreciate it. Thank you all so much for always coming to Obidia. God bless you, my beautiful people. I appreciate your love and support. Thank you for always coming back. Please, to all my returning subscribers, God bless you. The one that are yet to subscribe, and the one that will subscribe after watching this video, or you have been watching my video and you have not subscribed, please, today is the right time. Hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting more video from me. God bless you guys. Thank you for the love and support. Until I see you on my next video, I still remain your friend, your sister, Obidia Nwanyoma. Thank you so much. One love, my people. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye.